People think it's a scam though, but me personally, I think it's hard work and determination. Yeah, hello guys. So I'm sure you have heard about the Temu free gift or free promotional offer that has been happening. I've tested it myself. I've tested the other free product with paid shipping. Like not paid shipping, it's free shipping, but you just buy something on the website and you get the other 3 stars for free. So my limit was 350 Ghana cedis. Others got 250 Ghana cedis to be eligible for the free 3 gift or items. So this is what happens with the Temu free product. So they promise you 3 products here, but you need to invite people, new users, to join the platform, of which in my opinion, it's a very good idea. Just invite some few friends who are genuinely interested in Temu, or just sign up and validate their shipping address, and you also get to clear your point and just go ahead to ship. But here their criteria, you just need to do that under 24 hours. So you have 24 hours to do this, and within that 24 hours they'll give you some money. Maybe the 3 items they will give you 2 for free, and the third one you need to invite friends. So basically you end up at 1 cedi. So you need to invite friends, then they give you points, and those points will clear those money, the 1 cedi and the points they normally give at the end there. So if you get that 1 cedi, or let's say in your case you get 30 cedis or anything, you need to invite friends. So maybe one friend can clear like 50 pesos and the others won't clear the other 50. And so once you have a big cut, the rest will be small. So you have 50 pesos off, you left 50 pesos. The other referral might cut maybe 20 or 10 pesos. So you need to invite more friends to join the promo. This is where it becomes tough for others. People think it's a scam though, but me personally, I think it's hard work and determination. But the 24-hour limit, and maybe friends of now don't just want to be clicking any link or just to join any offer, because we've seen them all over and all over, and they aren't true. So per my opinion, I tried it and I cleared my 1 cedi, my 50 point I cleared to 0.4 or something, and no one was willing to join or maybe just sign up for me. You send a link to people, they will blue tick you and all of that. So I went back and they give me another 24 and I said, now let me decline and go and check my friend. My friend also tried and tried and tried. After 24 hours, he didn't even clear. So this is my suggestion. If you really want to get the free stuff or free shipping from Temu, make sure you have friends, dedicated friends who can do this for you, because people will just click the link and just go back. You think you've referred people, you go back and nothing will show for them. They'll tell you they've done it, but nothing will show. So if you have dedicated people and they are also willing to invite more people and invite yourselves, the more you invite new users, the more the money goes. You can even invite existing users just to clear. But the existing users, the limit is 30. So let's say you have 30 existing users, you are just leading to the free shipping. So that's what Temu is claiming. And let me know in the comments, maybe you also had a better experience with Temu. Maybe they shipped your items, or maybe you also got stuck at a point. So my advice for you is real though, but just that it's just tough. They don't just give out for free like that. You need to do some work. But the other offers, just choose some 3 things and buy your own stuff that you like on the app and they'll ship to you. I have a full tutorial on that. I've done my own. It just came like some 3 or 4 days ago. I have the link in the description. You can watch it and testify for yourself. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions or you have any suggestions, or even if you want a free gift. Let me know in the comment section now. See you again. Bye bye.